We are here in Yogeni for the reed dance, Umkhosi Womhlanga. There's nothing bigger. As we were driving here, crazy thing, within like the 5-kilometer radius of this place, from Mfuleni to under trees, behind tents, you'll find izintombi, zigeza, zinqunu, naked. But there's nothing sexual about it. Crazy. Made me just think, okay, what? Am I... Maybe for some reason, nothing sexual, because I don't want to mention other people. I'll just stick to nothing sexual. But yeah, but then when I got here, saw something sexy, which is the media houses that are here. I love myself a media house. From the Black Diamond, Vuma FM, to One Kesran TV, there's Gagasai, there's Ukozai, there's Nongoma FM, there's Kwezi, there's every radio station you can think about. Now that's, my friend, very sexy.